Tonight I find myself on Clogwyn Mawr and I'm planning to spend the night up here. Midges might be a problem, there's a few about. A little bit of a northeasterly breeze, which hopefully there'll be more of it. Otherwise I'm going to have to go home, because they're bastards. Fancy a bedtime story? I remember in September 2012, I really wanted to come to Snowdonia for the weekend, but we didn't have a lot of money, so my other half said to me, "You can go if you get someone to share petrol with you." So at work I asked P-Dog Paddy Keith and Kevin Woodworm if they wanted to come, and he said yeah. So I thought, great, we're going. Night before, they said we're not coming now. And I thought, oh bollocks, because looks like conditions are going to be really good. And what I had in mind was coming up to this very spot here and taking a photograph in the morning with the valley filled with mist. There's a good chance we might get that tomorrow, actually. But anyway, I thought, well, I'll sneak off and I'll go anyway. So I was on my way, and I got to about Oswestry, and the car just started losing power. And I thought, what's going on here? I pulled into a garage and thought, I'm not very practical, me. I don't know what to do. There was an RAC man there, so I said, you know, this is what's happening with my car. What do you think's happening? What's going on? I said, I don't know, mate, but, you know, I think it could be your turbo's gone. And I thought, shit, that sounds serious, doesn't it? So I managed to get my car into Wales. It went into limp mode, apparently. And I got it to the hut over in Llandergau. And that morning, I managed to get it down to Joe Brown's down here. And I came up here. And I got the conditions I wanted, a beautiful dawn with great mist in the valley there. Then I went back to the car, drove it off down Dyffryn Mumber, white smoke coming out the back of it. You could see it for about a mile behind you. I managed to get it up to Penna Pass and then rolled it down to the lay-bys beneath the three cliffs, Clogwyn y Grochan, Caragwasted and Dinas Cromlech. And I thought, oh no. All my gear was at the hut. Car's stuck in the pass. So I walked through the Norwich Quarry, back over to Llandergau, arranged a pickup and rang my other half to tell her what had happened. And she went absolutely fucking mad, as you might expect. I think that's what did it for me in the end, you know. See you in the morning. Morning. Turned out nice again. Bit hazy. Little bit of mist in the valley, not a lot. No complaints. So we're on episode 9 now of lockdown in Snowdonia. And it seems that throughout the United Kingdom, lockdown's coming to a close. The restrictions are easing all the time. Right or wrong. I've not really learned anything from this period. I suppose the only thing I have learned is you lose your hill fitness very quickly, and you get fat pretty quickly too, if you keep drinking and eating a lot. But I've not learned anything really. My view of life, though, has been strengthened. And that view of mine has always been, because I can't toe the conventional line with life. I'm no good at it. I've tried. I can't do it. Maybe it's a character flaw, I don't know. But what this time has shown me is that I was right. Life isn't how they tell you it's going to be. Work hard at school, go to university, get a good job, kids, wife, cars, tellies, exotic holidays, and a glorious retirement. You can't rely on that anymore. You've seen how things can change really quickly. And for you to invest your most precious thing, time, into that paradigm is a massive risk. Do you ever find yourself at work thinking to yourself, I wish I was in the mountains. Oh, I can't wait for the weekend to get back to the mountains. If you do, and you're wasting your time, move to the mountains. Do what makes you happy. The tried and tested road, the societal norms and expectations that we're expected to slot into is the biggest con going. You don't owe anybody anything. There's so much jingoism. There's Brexit, Black Lives Matter, all kinds of crazy shit going on. And we're on this rock spinning around in space. It's a miracle any one of us are here. See this rock I'm sitting on here? It was formed millions of years ago. Perhaps Paul Gannon will correct me on that. I think it's rhyolite. But in its current form, this landscape in which I'm sitting now, it's 10,000 years old. You're going to be here for 70 or 80 years max. Maybe a bit more. Don't waste it.